Hey, what's up, Manitha friends? Welcome to Manitha's Week in Review number 96. So you all know that we support WooCommerce, PrestaShop, and Magento. But you might not know that now all these features are possible for decentralized reputation. So if you are a merchant that is in these platforms, you will definitely enjoy the benefits of our decentralized reputation. A new ERC20 token is added to Manitha's payment gateway, and that's the one that we are very proud of, and that is Enjin token. Enjin project provides value for content creators, game publishers, and people in the gaming industry. We are very proud to have this link with the Enjin community, and congratulations to them, as now Enjin token is accepted in Manitha's payment gateway. As you may know, we have a buy now button which may be used for any e-commerce platform or your own custom website. All you have to do is insert the HTML code into your e-commerce store, and you'll be able to accept Ether payments and ERC20 token payments within your e-commerce store. Encryption and decryption works not only in spy movies, it also works in blockchain. And that's the reason why we have released a new article in our knowledge base which talks about encryption and decryption. Educate yourselves. The link is in the description below. That's it for this week. If you have any questions about Manitha's development, go and ask them in Telegram community. It is in full effect. And I will see you in the next 7 days in the next Manitha's Week in Review. Bye-bye.